Hello, I'm going to create just a demo project. So you have to open first of all Visual Study 2012, and next you have to click on this new project. You can click through file also or from here also. So you have to click that, and after that you have to go inside this template Visual Studio. You have to select this web. Inside web we have to this empty web application, the default one. That is fine. Next you have to put your project name. So for us it's flight ticket, right? So flight booking. So let's create this project at which location. So you can select whatever location. Like you have to create your enrollment number in that university laptop. So here those things not required for me, but you have to think on that also while creating that. So let's for me, I'm going to create inside D. Let me pick D. So I'm going inside D and I'm creating one new folder. Okay, I think it's inside D. It's creating directly. Okay. Okay, fine. So, flight ticket booking. Now you have to click OK. It will pop up like this, so you have to just click OK. So, it has created an empty project. Next, you have to click on this toolbar. Suppose that this toolbar not available, then you have to go inside View. Inside View, you have to select this toolbar. Okay. Okay, now you have to get one form. Okay, for like to create a website, we need one form where user can put his login and password, and he can hit the enter, so that it will land him to home page. So first we need to create one form. To create form, you have to click on this project, then add new item. Then you have to it will be like defaultly it will come as web only, so you have to it will be at first itself it will be like web form, so you have no need to do anything. You have to just change the file name here according to your need. So we are going to create login page, right? So just put login page. Okay, login page dot aspx. So just hit ok, add. So it will create a basic layout for you. Now here only inside this div you have to develop. So either you can do through the coding itself, but coding is difficult. Better you can click on this toolbar, and here you can drag and drop. Okay, so there is a pin icon, right? You can click on this pin icon, so it will be permanently be here. Now this file will be here. Now click on this corner, you can see design, right? Click on this design, so it will be like UI part. After entering this you can put some enter, so that it will look a little better. Now come to first place, then we need one label, right? Like enter your email and enter your password. For that purpose we need that, right? So first we will check here, something label will be there. Here you can see label, so just drag and drop here. And after dropping here in right side, you can change the property. Let me show you. So here you can see this is a text. This is a text which is being displayed on that button, right? But actually, it's not a button; it's a label. So here we will put the label as like enter your email. Okay, and colon also you can put if you want. That's all. So here you can see it's done. Now we need one password section, like where user can put password. So here we will put like password. So here again we change the label as pass. Enter your password. Enter your password. So here you can see, if you'll go to now again that a source code, this is the source code. Okay, we put enter means that enter created this br tag, and this is the label. We drag and drop. So this is the label one, where you put in email id, and here we put password. Like this is label, just a text to display the customer, like user. Now we need input box, right? So again we can go to design view, and here also you can directly enter here directly, so that is also uh, like allowed. You can do that. Okay. First, let me put the input like box, so where the user can input his input. So inside, like inside this standard downside, if you come, you can see there is a table, and below the table there is text box that only we needed. Okay, so drag and drop here. Okay, and if you go in backend, the code will be generated for like for this also. So this is what we drag and drop, right? So this is what is generated. So id is the, like default it has put the id as a text box 1, but we can change it according to our need and how we have used it in code. So here we are going to put like email id, email underscore id, or whatever you like, you can put. So I'm putting email id. And next, after this also we need one input, right, text box to put the password from the customer. So just drag and drop here. So you can directly drag and drop in code mode also, that is also allowed. So here we need password id, password id. So this run at server, this all thing, this run at server, this all code is getting generated automatically, right? So you don't need to do too many things. Just go on design, you can see here that that one came, right? This one came here, so we'll delete this and put it in beginning. That's fine. So our login page looking better, right? Now just click on this, run on Google. Okay, Google Chrome. But in our university it will be like run on this, what it's called, Microsoft Edge. Okay, what browser Microsoft provides, right? That only in university it will be there. Yeah. But no problem, you just whatever browser configured here, you just click on this button and it will run in that browser. So here you see I'm running this, and it opened the tab automatically in the browser. And here you can see this one came, right? Here user can put his email id, and he can put a password. Here you see password can be visible through anyone, so it's not looking good. It's security wise, it's not good, right? While I'm entering the password, anyone can see my password. This is not good, right? So let's fix this. So going to our again backend code, just kill the server, and now go to design view. In this one we need, right? Even though you feel okay, so go to source code, and here you can put one attribute, what is called type, I think. Not type, something was there, field type, something type is there. Data type, I forgot what type was there. I think it is available in our code what I have shared you, right? In that it will be available. Let me check the code in WhatsApp. I'm opening the page in my WhatsApp so that I can check that. Just be on the line. Okay. Actually, yeah, I need to open that in computer. Okay, that is not problem. I will send you in mobile some later. Okay. So what is, just save this. Save this. Control S to save this. Okay. After this, if you'll go to design view, you will see we need a button to like login or something. You say, right here we need one button. So here is the button. You just drag and drop. So in this text, instead of button, we have to put like login, login, capital I and login. I don't know what is the spelling. You just focus on what is design, not on spelling. Okay, now put some space to look it good. Now I'm telling you this is good, and while you click on this button two time, it will land you in a coding part. Here only we have to write the coding. Okay, so this is the button one. Okay, what button you seeing here while clicking this generated this function. Okay, so on clicking that button, whatever code you will write inside this block, that one will only get executed. So here only we will do the coding thing. What we have, like, the same file will be generated like login page.aspx. Here you can see login page.aspx.vv. So for every page there will be one front end page, this is aspx, and one will be back end page, aspx.vv, same name. Okay, but two extension. Here only we have to do the coding part. Here I think comment line you cannot put like this. Instead of that, here you click on this icon. Here you can plus, and so plus means it will make it comment line, and while you will click this one, it will make it normal line. So you comment this so that it will not get executed. Just save this. We will do the coding part later. Okay, as of now I'm just showing you the UI design. Okay, so this one done, but it's looking bad, right? It's, so let's put some color in it. So go to design, sorry, source, and inside the body tag put like what is called a style, and equal to background color light blue. Okay, it's here. Okay, now save this. Now if you go here in design view, you can see the background color changed, right? Let's come to the source code instead of. Okay, so you can see here now it's looking better, right? But still this one, if it will come inside in between here, then it will look more better, right? So let's make that one. To make that one, you have to go inside this body, and then you have to put one semicolon, and I think text line, yeah, here we go, text line colon center. I think this one will bring all the content of the body in the center. So let me go to the design part. Here you see, so you can see it's looking better right now. So one more thing, sorry, go to source code, and here text line center, everything is fine. We can put one h1 tag on heading, like what website it is for that. Okay, so outside this forum. Okay, outside this forum, or you can put inside also, but let's put outside itself. So I'm putting h1 tag, close it will automatically close it. Then ticket booking, apply ticket booking, apply ticket booking. Now save this, and now if you go to design to see how it's looking, now it's looking better, right? Okay. I think it's looking better. Now if you run on Google Chrome, you will see it will look far better than earlier. Okay, so now it's looking good. Okay, so like this is just a UI design. I saw you how to design the UI and how to run on server. Okay, so we have saved this. Let me show you in computer where we have saved this. So I'm going to file. So inside D only we have stored it. Here we go. So I'm closing it. Close this. So if you go here, you see flight booking. When next time you just click on this, it will open that Visual Studio with that application. Again, it will pop up. Just put OK. Okay, so now you can see here you can do modify whatever you want to do, and again you can run. So this is just to like closing the application and again opening it. Now this all tab is like each time you will run, it will open new tab, so you can close the tab which is not open. This is old one, is still looking like this. Once you will refresh this, it will look better. Okay, so the login page design is done. Okay, so now next thing is to doing coding and creating table in backend, like Microsoft Access, and then connecting to that. Okay, so those things we will discuss later. Okay, once you first check this one good enough for you, like you can like it is okay for you, then only we will proceed further. Thanks.